Are you in search of the perfect miter saw stand to enhance your cutting experience? Well, look no further. In today's video, we're diving into the world of miter saw stands to bring you the top 5 contenders. We've scoured the market, analyzed customer reviews, and tested these stands ourselves to provide you with an in-depth review of their features, pros, and cons. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a passionate deer, we've got you covered. So, let's jump right in and find the ideal miter saw stand that will revolutionize your workshop. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Evolution Power Tools Miter Saw Stand. This miter saw stand is a versatile and sturdy stand that is perfect for all your cutting needs. Its robust design ensures stability and durability, allowing you to work with confidence. The stand features quick-release brackets that make it easy to mount and dismount your miter saw, saving you time and effort. These arms can be extended to support long workpieces, providing you with the flexibility to tackle various projects. Additionally, the arms have integrated rollers, making it effortless to feed your materials through the saw. The miter saw stand is also highly portable. It is equipped with durable wheels that allow you to transport it effortlessly from one job site to another. The folding legs further enhance its portability and make it easy to store when not in use. Here are some pros. Sturdy and durable construction. Quick-release brackets for easy mounting and dismounting. Adjustable arms with integrated rollers for supporting long workpieces. Portable design with wheels and folding legs. Cons. May not be suitable for heavy-duty or industrial use. Number 2. Boroportemate Folding Miter Saw Stand. The Boroportemate Folding Miter Saw Stand is a highly functional and compact stand that offers excellent value for money. This stand is designed to accommodate most miter saws, providing a stable and secure platform for your cutting tasks. This miter saw stand is a folding design. The stand can be easily folded and unfolded, allowing for quick setup and storage. This feature is ideal for users with limited workshop space or those who need to transport their equipment frequently. It features adjustable work supports that can be extended to handle long workpieces with ease. These supports have integrated rollers, making it effortless to feed your materials through the saw. Here are some pros. Compact and foldable design for easy setup and storage. Adjustable work supports with integrated rollers. Generous material support for handling long workpieces. High weight capacity for stability with heavy materials. Cons. Some users may find the stand slightly heavy to move around. Number 3. Bosch Portable Gravity Rise Wheeled Miter Saw Stand T4B. This miter saw stand T4B is a top-of-the-line stand that offers exceptional performance and convenience. This stand is engineered to provide professional-grade stability and ease of use, making it a favorite among serious woodworkers and contractors. This miter saw stand is its innovative gravity rise system. With a simple push or pull, you can effortlessly raise or lower the stand, allowing for quick setup and breakdown. The pneumatic wheels further enhance its portability, making it easy to transport the stand across different terrains. The stand's robust construction and large 8-inch wheels contribute to its stability and durability. Here are some pros. Gravity rise system for easy setup and breakdown. Pneumatic wheels for enhanced portability. Adjustable material supports with adjustable stops for precise cuts. Sturdy construction with large wheels for stability and durability. Cons. Relatively higher price compared to other models. Number 4. Boroportemate PM8000 Miter Saw Stand. This is a versatile and feature-packed miter saw stand that is perfect for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. This stand offers a spacious and efficient workstation, providing a convenient solution for all your cutting needs. The stand can be easily folded and unfolded, allowing for quick setup and storage. Additionally, it is equipped with wheels, making it easy to move around your workspace. The PM8000 Portacube station offers ample material support. It features extendable work surfaces that can be adjusted to accommodate longer workpieces. These surfaces are equipped with convenient stops and measurement scales, enabling precise and repeatable cuts. Here are some pros. Compact and foldable design for easy setup and storage. Extendable work surfaces with stops and measurement scales. Integrated storage compartment for keeping tools and accessories organized. Portable design with wheels. Cons. Some users may find the stand slightly heavy to move around. Number 5. DeWalt Miter Saw Stand with Wheels. The DeWalt Miter Saw Stand with Wheels is a high-quality and reliable stand that offers exceptional mobility and stability. This stand is designed to accommodate a wide range of miter saws, making it a versatile choice for both professionals and enthusiasts. It is built with heavy-duty materials that ensure durability and long-lasting performance. Here are some pros. Sturdy and durable construction. Foldable design for easy storage. Cons. Some users may find the stand slightly heavy to lift and maneuver. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Comment below for any issues. I'm here to assist. Enjoy life with our cool products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.